inventory health went from about a 50% range to right now a high of about 85, 86% range. So we have the right inventory, right place, at the right time. We also were able to cut our overstocks. So our procurement planning was so much better. Our overstocks in the warehouses, even at the factories, was just so much more accurate. The most important thing that I've seen, I wouldn't say the most important, but the most visually that I can see is the pressure on the factories. Previously, we were just estimating, we were not sure what to buy. So it put a lot of pressure on the factories to make a lot of products and then store it for us. The last visit that I went to Asia, I think it was about 4 months ago. The vendor said we have zero inventory on the floors. So everything that we buy, we need it and we take it immediately.